326 Lander. So we need to trim the trees away from the roof. We have it on this side. Actually, that might be the neighbors. So I'm not sure how that would work, but we need to trim it over here. There's a palm tree in the back that needs to be trimmed as well. This tree is going to have a lot of leaves dropping, so depending on how strict the HOA is, you may need someone cleaning it up fairly regularly so you don't get a violation. And maybe trim those back as well so bugs don't get inside. This palm tree and that palm tree need to be trimmed. And there's a pomegranate tree for this property. Okay, so we have this darker style plank flooring. And then we have this room right here. There's no lights. So I'm wondering if this was an addition because it's right off the garage. That's a normal coat closet, which is probably there. And then this bathroom that does not have a shower. So it's just a powder right off of the garage. And I couldn't turn on any lights. Definitely need to have a junking thingamajigger because there's a fridge and rugs and all kinds of stuff in there. I'm not sure. I think 100% repaint. The property manager will have to make that call, of course. Not a huge fan of the backsplash, but 2 blinds. Some dents in the microwave. The mirror looks fairly attached. I'll replace these blinds. So I love this backyard so much. You have so much usable concrete space and you already have the mature, beautiful landscaping that provides all this privacy. A lot of the privacy actually comes from the neighbor behind us as well. So just pointing that out in case they decide to get rid of those bushes, which I don't think they will. Security camera and pomegranate, again, palm tree, nice lights out here. Okay, let's go upstairs. Of course, we're changing these locks. Okay. I think it's 100% repaint. And painting the stair handle. I love this flooring. I don't know if it's the best quality, but it looks fairly new. The only thing is they didn't take it throughout the property. So carpet, old tile. We need a blind here for sure. The shower rod isn't going anywhere. Maybe paint those cabinets. This carpet may be able to keep it, but I think you need to replace the carpet in the master, so it might be a good opportunity just to make it all match. Ooh, these are pretty. This carpet has to go. Of course, replace that blind. So right here you see tile, carpet, and I think that's laminate. Might be vinyl. Recaulk, blind, new toilet seat, counters. Okay, that's it.